Students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is case study question from chapter triangle. The condition is given here. If parallel lines cut off congruent segments on one transversal, then they cut off congruent segments on any transversal. So you can see here, these are the parallel lines and these two are transversals. So segment which are congruent here on this side, left side, will be congruent to right side. This is the condition. Now according to this criteria, we have some questions. So questions are here. To find the height of a tree, a group of boys scout devise the following method. A boy walk toward the tree along its shadow. This is the boy and this is the tree. PA is the shadow of the tree until the shadow of the top of his head coincides with the shadow of the top of the tree. So here you can see BC is the height of the boy, and here height of the boy is touching this shadow. Now the conditions are given. If the boy is 90 centimeter tall, the height of the boy is 90 centimeter. His distance to the foot of the tree is 7.5 meter, means PB is 7.5 meter, and the length of his shadow is AB, and this length is 1.5 meter. Then how tall is tree? So we have to find the height of the tree, QP. So first of all, we will make these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle APQ, similar. So for this you know that heights are always perpendicular to the base. So here angle B and angle P are 90 degree. Angle A is common in both the triangles, so here we will use angle similarity, and these both triangles will be similar. So the solution for this is, here because these angle, I am talking about these angles will be equal. So these two angles are equal and this angle will be common in both the triangle ABC and triangle APQ. So by angle similarity, these both triangles will be similar. And you know, for similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So here this PQ will be PQ over BC. These are these are the corresponding sides. And then AP is for triangle APQ and AB is for triangle ABC. So these ratio will be equal. Now we will substitute these values here. PQ I am supposing as X, BC is 90, then AP is total distance, which is, when we convert into centimeter, it will become 750 PB, and AB is 150, so total sum is 900, and AB is given 150. So when we calculate it after cancellation, we will get this as 540 centimeter. So height of the tree is 540 centimeter, which is first option. Now second condition is given here. In the following figure, find the distance AB across the pond using the similarity triangles shown. So these are the triangles. Here you can see this diagram here. This will be AB. Okay. So this QR and AB are perpendiculars on the same base, and these will be parallel to each other. So we can use this condition also. Angle R and angle A, these are 90 degree, and we can use two ways. We can use here, these two angles are vertically opposite angles, so these two triangles will be similar. In this figure I will show you here. This QR and AB, these are perpendicular, so angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Angle 3 and angle 4, these are vertically opposite angles. So by angle similarity criteria, these both triangles are similar. So again, by same condition, that in similar triangles, ratio of corresponding sides is equal. So a corresponding sides will be QR and AB are corresponding sides, so QR over AB, and here RP and AP are corresponding sides, so RP over AP. So we'll substitute these values, and from here we will get AB equals to 7.5. So answer is here 7.5 meter. Now next question is determine the vertical height EB. If you see, this is a slide where G, D, E, B are vertical heights, and we are using the triangle here A, B, E, and because AB is given here, so we will use the triangle ABE, and then we will use the triangle ADG. Here these base angles are 90 degree, angle B and angle D are 90 degree, and angle A will be common in both the triangles. So you can see here, these are the two slides. These two triangles, triangle ABE will be similar to triangle ADG. AB this triangle and ADG is fourth triangle. So both triangles are similar by angle similarity. So again the corresponding sides, the ratio will be equal. So GD over EB, or you can write EB over GD, and then we will write AB, which is given to us 2 meter, and AD, which is 8. So we will substitute the values here, and then we can calculate here on the table of 2. So it is 3 by 2, which is equals to 1.5 meter. So EB will be equals to 1.5 meters. So option A. Fourth part is, if two similar triangles have a scale factor of 1:2, means we have two triangles and their ratio, because the triangles are similar, so because the triangles are similar, then ratio of their corresponding side, that will be the scale factor. So that will equals to 1:2, means ratio of their corresponding side is 1:2. B statement regarding of these two triangles is true. So first is, their angle bisectors have the ratio 3:2, their altitude have the ratio 4:3, the ratio of their perimeter is 2:1, and ratio of their median is 1:2. So here when we consider two similar triangles, so this is the question also in your exercise, that these ABC and PQ are two similar triangles. When the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides, ratio of the corresponding side is equal, and scale ratio is given 1:2. So ratio of the side is also 1:2. And now here AM is the median. So this BC and over QR can be written as double of BM and double of QN, because M is the midpoint, AM is the median, so M is the midpoint of BC, and similarly N is the midpoint of QR because PN is median. So from here we can find it that AB over PQ equals to BM over QN. And one more thing is given, that because triangles are similar, so angle B and angle Q are equal. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are also equal. So these we can also use angle B equals to angle angle Q. Now here by side angle side criteria, these two triangles are similar. This triangle ABM and triangle PQ, and these are similar. So the corresponding sides, ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So AM over PQ equals to AM over, so AB over PQ equals to AM over PN. And this AB over PQ, this ratio is given 1:2. So here we can consider that the ratio of the median is 1:2. So the here option is that their medians have the ratio 1:2. So this is the answer here. Then the last question is, in a triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of its two sides. This theorem is called Thales theorem, Pythagoras, converse of Pythagoras, and converse of Thales. So this is Pythagoras theorem. So these are the answers of these questions.